We hit the jackpot!
Agreed. Good day, huh?
I ate too much.
Those were confiscated. You are guilty of all charges. Ha! Wait, no! It's jailhouse rock for them. Whoa!
Oh no, I hate prison orange!
All right, troublemakers, make me a hamburger. Say what? We're in a food challenge. That's something I can make use of. I'm gonna serve Minecraft Gourmet. But first, I gotta crack this box open. Just wait. And bam! Pixel magic! These aren't just ingredients. These are building materials. Step 1. Slice it up. We don't do thin slices here. Keep it chunky. Soft middle? Nope. Out it goes. Forget layers. I'm cramming everything inside. Fill it up as much as it fits. If it doesn't close, that means I did it right. It's always a good idea to add some extra cheese. Ta-da! Here we go. The grand reveal of my block burger. This is extra loaded, which makes it extra legendary.
Wow! It looks so yummy! Huh? Yeah! I've got it! My burger won't just taste good, it'll look like a fairy tale. Oh, this is gonna be perfectly pink! Teaching you a little princess trick I know. Cuteness in the making! Mix, mix, mix! We're going full pastel fabulous! Making a burger fit for a queen. Call this baking with style. Lettuce, patty, cheese, a slice of tomato, and ketchup. And there it is! Behold! The cutest burger this prison has ever seen!
Oh, it's so hard to keep this prison clean. Uh-oh. Ugh. I hate these stupid toys.
Not the Hello Kitty! I guess she's gonna hate both of these burgers.
I'll start with the pink one. Hello, lunch. Huh? What the? Ugh, that's disgusting. I'll try the next one. So good. You're the winner. Yeah! Loser. Ugh! Can't say no to donuts. Oh no!
I feel bad for her.
Aha! Okay, great thinking. Let's see what I have in my iconic lunch bag. Disappointing.
Maybe I have something better. Or not.
What can we even do with these?
Oh wait! I think I know how to turn these into donuts. Bread slices plus water. Instant dough. I'm really good at improvising, aren't I? Okay, looks good to me. I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty for the job. Into the mold they go. These are gonna be so cute! Do you think 6 donuts will be enough for her? Let's hope so. It's the best feeling when they come out golden. And now, the most important part. Decorating! Donuts worthy of a royal bakery! Done! Let's see how you do it.
My method calls for destroying the bread first. Next, I'll drown the bread in milk. And more milk. This time, condensed. The more I smash it, the tastier it gets, right? Maybe not. Ugh, the consistency is not right.
Huh? Hey, look!
What? Oh! So, new plan. Chocolate chip cookies. If it doesn't work one way, I make it work my way. Is this dough or a stress ball? Not perfect circles, but who cares? Goodbye, dough. Hello, crunchy cookies. Fresh out of the oven, straight onto the plate. Not bad, huh?
Hey!
Yoo-hoo!
We have sweet surprises for you!
Wow, which one? Okay, cookies it is. These are good. Saved my fave for last. So chewy. Officer approved. Beginner's luck.
Listen up!
Shut it.
Cupcakes next.
You got it.
Mine! Ha! I'll win!
In your dreams. Cupcakes are my specialty. Bet yours will collapse in the oven.
Let's hope yours end up edible at least.
Cute colors can't beat real taste.
They look ugly.
I'm not even done yet. You call these sprinkles, I call it victory dust. Ugh! Huh? They're all gone!
You ruined my frosting! No!
Hey! You two! Stop it! Huh?
Sorry.
Now behave or you'll stay here longer. Okay. I'll get back to work. My sprinkle plan flopped? No biggie. Time for plan B. Vanilla frosting to save the day. My cupcakes will be the star of this food challenge. Watch closely. Cupcake magic in the making. My cupcakes make a constellation. Let's see yours.
Watch and learn from a pro like me. Don't panic. I know what I'm doing. Just trust the process. My cupcakes come shaken, not stirred. I'm gonna bring pool party vibes to our cell. I'm so good at tracing the lines that I could do this in my sleep. It's happy hour, everyone! Come grab your mocktail cupcakes. Or shall I say, cuptails. Look, I'm ready.
May the best cupcake maker win.
Wow, these are impressive. This one looks so fancy. I hate to ruin it. It tastes a bit bland. Let's see.
Ha! I knew it!
But…
Attention please. Next challenge, a potato dish.
A surprise?
You open it. Wow! I claim it!
Hey, not fair! I wonder what this button does.
Huh? What's happening to me? Huh? I'm inside the game?
Wow! I control you now!
No way that's possible! What the? Ouch! No! That was scary. I didn't like it. Don't do that again!
Oopsie. Okay, I promise.
Anyway, now I know how to play this game. Gotta collect as many as possible.
And… score! Yeah!
Did I break the highest score record? Phew. Feels good to be back. Hey, grab your share.
Thanks! Now it's time to come up with a creative and yummy potato recipe. Sometimes you have to break things to make them beautiful. A pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and just enough flour to hold it all together. Mix, mash, and blend. Hands-on cooking at its finest. Don't mind my long nails. Not very hygienic, I know, but come on, I'm in a jail cell. And now, roll it out nice and smooth. Cookie cutters aren't just for cookies. I'm making perfectly shaped, perfectly cute potato bites. And I'm making them with love. So golden, so crispy. There's no way I'm losing this round with these chips. Let's see if you can beat that.
Oh, I will. And I know exactly how. Potato chips must be done the proper way. The thinner the slices, the crispier the chips. Into the pot they go. Bubble, bubble, potatoes in trouble. Gotta be careful. Don't want to burn myself. And… ta-da! Looks and tastes just like store-bought ones. Best enjoyed with dip. Real chips done right.
Time for me to taste and decide. Simple, yet effective. And the hearts? Unusual, but risky. Oh la la, delicious! Yay! Thanks!
But why? Ugh.